This will be a demonstration of the Quickdraw Weaving program's name draft tool. Name drafting basically allows me to enter a string of characters and will generate a treading and threading sequence based on that. Let me type in a name. And so I can ask symmetry, basically create mirror images. I can do a star tie-up, a rose tie-up, or a profile skeleton tie-up. Let me start with a star. I can ask for any number of shafts up to full 32. I've got finer resolution with the plus and minuses there. When I show the drafts, let me scroll down with the mouse wheel here. And it will tell me the coding is kind of an arbitrary sequence. I've got 32 defined codings built into the program. If you want to really know what they are, just type in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, so forth up, and ask for the screening. You can see the convergences there, and you can see how each pattern is coded. And as I keep going, I can see multiple codings. If I do like that one, I want to compare it to something else. If I ask for split screen, I can then keep going. And if I like that one better, I can turn split screen off, save that again. If I go to the view edit, I've now actually got that program sitting there. If I go back to the name draft tool, if I don't like any of the 32 codings, I actually have an ability of generating random codings also. That will literally go on forever with unique randoms and codings. And that gives me a basic name draft capability. Thank you.
Yeah, this is an update for version 5.4's a couple of minor changes to the name drafting tool. Now, normally when I do the mouse over things, you see the box on the top right here is going to change. But I've added, if you're over the coding number, it will actually show you the encoding scheme so that A, B, C, D, alphabetically would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I hit the next coding box, if I do the same, it's going to show me what the revised coding is. So for each one of the encoding schemes, as I cycle through it, you can see exactly what that coding draft is. Now the other thing I've also changed is the float count indication here. Still shows the number of threads. What I was finding is as I keep cycling through those, for example, the 5 threads, once it gets over the threshold that was set by the view analyze pattern for floats as a threshold level, once it sees that threshold, it highlights that, so it's a little bit more obvious if something's out of the range that's expected.